Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for your daily dose of sugar.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be creating this beautiful Indian makeup look for deep Indian skin tone. So if you want to know how I achieve this beautiful makeup look for deep Indian skin tones, then please do continue watching. For eyeshadow, I'm taking the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the style Warrior, and first picking up that matte warm brown shade on a blending brush and just popping that on the crease as well as the outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm taking this beautiful metallic gold shade on a flat eyeshadow brush and just popping that right on the empty space on the eyelids, which just complements deep Indian skin tones beautifully. Now to prime my face, I'm using the Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer and applying that all over my face to create a smooth, even canvas. And usually deeper Indian skin tones have a bit of pigmentation, so I'm using this orange color corrector to color correct all of these areas. Foundation, I'm choosing the Drop the Base Serum Foundation in the shade Lungo, and it is very important that you choose the right shade of foundation for your deep Indian complexion, because it can become ashy if you choose a wrong or lighter shade of foundation, and it doesn't really complement deeper Indian complexions that well. Now to conceal and highlight, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Concealer in the shade Con Panna and just adding that wherever I like to conceal and highlight. To set everything in place, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics All Set to Go Banana Powder and baking underneath my eyes to set and bake as well as to catch any eyeshadow fallout from the eye makeup. I'm using the Kohl of Honor kajal in a black shade to line my lower waterline and my lash line and smudging it out using a pencil brush for that smoked out look and brushing off the excess powder away. Now to line my eyes, I'm using the Graphic Jam eyeliner in a black shade and applying this eyeliner only till midway on my top lash line, and for the rest of it I'm using this blue eyeliner creating the winged portion. Now to add a bit of definition to my face, I'm using the Contour de Force palette in the shade Fierce Sweet to contour, highlight and also to add a bit of color to my face. Finishing off this look using this Matte Attack Transfer Proof Bullet Lipstick in the shade Plums and Roses, which really complements deeper Indian complexion. You are so beautiful the way you are. Flaunt your skin tone with pride and a lot of confidence, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one.